All right, today we're going to unbox these things and check them out. All right, so these are HearPod Pros. Here we go. So it comes with a product manual. You're going to need that. I think these are accessories, which would probably be, I would imagine, a USB and maybe the, yeah, there we go. So these are the little things that you clean it with, right? Gonna need that, we'll set it over there. And I think that these are the, you put these on the end of the hearing aid. They're like little foam things. Let's see. Yeah, you can see in there. They put them in a see-through bag, but yeah. These, let's see if we can get it open. Hang on. All right, anyway, let's look at this first. All right, so it's USB-C to USB-A. I do have a block over here that we can plug it into. Put that over there. Let me just get this open. Oh, God. Why do they make it like that? You know, you'd think that they'd make it easier to open. There we go. So I want you guys to see what's in here. All right, so you can see that these are the things that go on the end of your hearing aids. But we want to keep them in here because we don't want to contaminate them, right? So I'm going to just set that over here for right now. All right, here's the hearing aids. Bam, done. All right, so it's got a USB-C port to charge them. I think they open this way, I would imagine. Oh, it doesn't want to open. Is there a secret way to do it? Okay. Oh, look. Now that was, this is how these open. You got to push it like this, all right? I was trying to do it this way, and it didn't open. Oh, there they are, look. I think they're charged. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Now, usually the way these work is do a long press to turn them on, and then you would press up here one time, press for louder, press this one for less loud. Here's your little things here, and they go into your ear, and they're should be color-coded so that you know which side is which. And I'm thinking this is probably the left side and this is probably the right side. But I think we need to charge them up, right? But they look like they may be charged. I mean, all those lights are on. But just in case, we'll go ahead and plug it in. Now, I do have a USB-C that's plugged into this block, which is right here. You see that? So let's go ahead and just shove that in there. And then we'll see, we'll let it, yeah, see, they're almost fully charged, but we'll go ahead and let them charge up, and then we'll try them out and see what we think. How's that sound? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos where I show you how these things work. Peace out.